Let's go inside.
Stop! Only castle members may enter.
Oh no! Look! I have my castle badge.
Very good. I will allow you to enter. Allow means to let someone do something.
Help! Please help me! Why are you trapped? The tower is locked! Only the magic key can open it. We must find it. Let's go! Goal means something you reach. Look at that rabbit symbol.
It's common in this castle. Let's try the rabbit door.
Look at those apples. I prefer the green apple. I prefer the red apple. Prefer means to like one thing better than another. Which one do you prefer? It's sweet.
It's bitter.
Bitter means a strong taste that is not pleasant. It's not sweet. Huh?
The magic key is hidden in the clock tower.
Oh no! We need to get to the clock tower.
This bridge will come down in 30 minutes.
We have to go now.
Be patient, Togi. We have to wait.
Patient means staying calm while you wait. I can be patient. This door is firm. Firm means strong and not easy to move. Oh. Look, Togi. I think it's a clue.
Maybe I should trace it.
It worked! Trace means to follow a line. I see a light! It's very faint.
Faint means hard to see. It's not clear.
Wow! We found a magic key! You found the key! It's too heavy! I need more force. More force, Togi! Yeah! Thank you so much! Force means a lot of power. What's wrong? What did you see? Huh? Huh? Be aware. Huh? Huh? Aware means knowing or realizing something. Where is that light coming from? It's coming from the Crystal Castle. Our aim is to reach the Crystal Castle. Aim means a goal or target.
Which route should we take?
This is the safest route. Let's follow this route. Look, a boat! To reach the Crystal Castle, we have to cross the river. Let's take this boat. Oh no! We're drifting! Drift means to move slowly without control. We're here! We have to cross the bridge.
You cannot cross.
The monster refused to let us cross the bridge.
Refuse means not to accept or agree to something.
Trust me. Yup. You defeated the tree monster!
Defeat means to beat someone in a battle or game.
Let's pause here. Good idea!
Pause means to stop for a short time.
Now, let's look for the crystal. Where is the crystal? We found it! It's beautiful. This is the crystal from my village. Let's take it back. The monster is coming! Ah! You can't take the crystal! Ah!
Oh no! The monster will ruin the castle!
My crystal! Ruin means to destroy or damage something.
Look, the crystal is okay. It's still solid.
My crystal!
Solid means strong and not easy to break. We did it! My village is safe again. The weather is mild. Mild means warm, calm, and pleasant.
Now we're ready for our space mission! Yeah! Hup! Hup! Yeah! We did it! We're so active! Active means moving around and doing lots of things. Let's blast off! The stars are beautiful! What's going on? Oh no! Our spaceship is broken! How do we get home? Uh-oh. We're wandering through space. Wander means to move around without knowing where you're going.
Oh, wow! It's an enormous spaceship! It's bigger than our spaceship!
Gasp means to suddenly breathe in because you're surprised or scared. It's pulling us in! We can't stop it! What's happening? I don't know!
Don't be afraid. I can help you. But first, let's make a bargain.
A bargain?
Help us repair our engine, and we'll help you get home.
Deal! Let's do it! A bargain is an agreement between people or groups. What's that? Purple engine oil.
Our battery is broken. The oil is leaking. Purple engine oil is an important resource. Without it, we can't fly.
Can we get more?
Only this planet has it.
Let's go! A resource is something useful that people need.
That's the purple engine oil.
Don't give up! We can do it! Whoa!
This is really hard! We're really struggling. Struggle means trying very hard to do something difficult.
Danger! Move! Whoa! You saved me! My ears are very sensitive. Sensitive means noticing very small sounds or changes very easily. Yay! Would you like to come to Earth with us? Thank you, but I have to return to my planet. I must protect my planet. I'm loyal to my planet.
Loyal means being faithful to your country or someone you care about. Are you loyal to your country?
This crystal has great value.
Thanks. Value means how important something is. Goodbye! Wow, the planets vary in size and color.
They're all different.
Vary means to be different.
Every adventure teaches us something new. See you in our next adventure.
The sky looks gloomy. Gloomy means dark and cloudy. Hurry! I think a sandstorm is coming. Phew! Let's take a little break. Oh no! The door won't open. I feel restless. Restless means you can't relax or rest.
I wonder.
Should I push it? A secret passage! A passage is a way that takes you from one place to another. Oh no! Water!
It's shallow, not deep.
Shallow means not deep.
Look, a treasure. Should I touch it?
Okay, just one little touch. Togi! Help me! Are you okay?
Capture means to catch someone or something.
I can't get out! I'm scared. I'm scared. No, I'm not a coward. A coward is someone who is too scared to do something. I can do it! You're doing great, Dagi! Wow! You have a special talent. Talent means a special ability to do something well. What's your talent? Look! It's the way out!
We're almost free. Look! The wind, it's getting bigger. It's a sand monster! Let's go back! Togi, let's go back! Let's go back! No! We have to keep going. It's too dangerous. We should go back.
I wanted to go back, but Togi insisted we keep going. Insist means to keep saying something strongly because you believe you're right. Look! The sand monster is making a giant rock! Togi! The giant rock shattered! Shatter means to break into many small pieces. Golden beam!
We did it! We won! Exclaim means to say something loudly with strong feelings.
What adventure should we go on next? What adventure should we go on today?
Today's mission, find for puzzle pieces hidden around the world.
Puzzle pieces? How can we travel around the world?
Say the magic words.
Togi Togi Totogi! Take us to France! Wow! What a wonderful atmosphere! Atmosphere means the feeling or mood in a place. What's that? I just glanced. I think I saw something. Wait, is that a puzzle piece? Glance means to look quickly. Wow, it's brilliant! Brilliant means very bright. Go, Togi! Next destination, Togi Togi Totogi. Take us to America. Wow, we're in America. It's amazing. Look, look.
May we take the puzzle piece?
No,
We want to bring happiness to everyone.
no.
If we collect all the puzzle pieces, we can bring happiness to everyone in the world.
You convinced me.
Convince means to make someone believe or agree. The wind is harsh.
Whoa! Harsh means very rough or severe. Oh no! The puzzle is plunging! Plunge means to fall quickly downward. Whoa!
She's so swift. Swift means very fast.
Wow, it is so beautiful now!
Excellent work.
Puzzle piece collected.
Next destination is India.
Togi Togi Totogi, take us to India! We're in India! Let's find the puzzle piece.
This puzzle piece is precious. Why do you need this puzzle piece? Because when we complete the puzzle, we can bring happiness to the whole world. We got another one! Precious means very valuable and special.
Excellent! Another puzzle piece has been collected.
Our next destination is...
Australia! Togi, 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 take us to Australia!
Look! It's another puzzle piece! Oh no! The kangaroo is so fast!
We've been running for so long! My legs hurt! I'm so tired! But we can't give up!
Why were you chasing me?
You have an important puzzle piece in your pouch. Could you please help us?
Of course. You were tired, but you didn't give up. You endured the long chase. Endure means to keep going even when something is difficult.
Wow! Unite means to join together as one. The puzzle pieces united. This golden heart will send happy energy all around the world.